Hello, this is Rebecca with Digital Thinker. In this video, I will discuss how to define report parameters as a system administrator. If you are new to Hexagon EAM, I encourage you to start by watching the Running Base Reports video. Let's walk through a scenario together. The storeroom management team reached out asking if I could provide a quick way for them to run the stock transactions report directly from the store screen. Since they want to be able to adjust the parameters, it was decided to add a field hyperlink rather than associate the report with the store screen. When I set up the hyperlink, I set the destination field as the issue receive party, as you can see here. After meeting with the team, they requested a few enhancements. They would like to default the issue receive entity, remove the consignment parameters, and default the date range to the past 2 weeks. Lastly, they requested to default the report output to Excel. So let's adjust the report parameters together. Also, please subscribe to this channel to ensure you don't miss out on future content. To adjust the report parameters, navigate to Administration, Setup, Reports, and find and select the Stock Transactions report. Then click on the Parameters tab. First, we need to define a default for the entity. There may be some trial and error in identifying the parameters, so be patient and test changes in a non-prod environment. Since this report is going to be generated for stores, I will set the parameter default to STOR. Next, I need to remove the consignment parameters. Before I proceed, it is important to mention that parameters that start with R5, such as R5 user or R5 org, should not be deleted. And before making any changes, it is a good habit to export the grid to Excel so you have it to reference in the future. Since I have already done that, I will proceed with deleting the consignment parameters. Next, we need to update the date from. The team requested the default date range be for the past 2 weeks. So I need to change the parameter default from -31 to -14. Lastly, we need to change the report output format. By default, the format is PDF. To change this, I need to add a new parameter. The parameter is R5_ output format. And the parameter default is spreadsheet, capital ML. Other options include HTML, CSV, and XML. Now that I have made the requested updates, let's return to the store screen and validate the changes. As you can see, the issue receive entity now defaults to store. The consignment parameters have been removed, and the date range defaults to 2 weeks. One final check is the output format. So let's go ahead and run the report. Wonderful, the format is now Excel. Sometimes slight modifications can have a positive impact on the user experience. So as a system administrator, adjusting report parameters may be something to consider. Please like this video if you found it useful, and I hope you have a great day.